Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Tea Talks. I'm sorry we don't upload videos, quite often because we don't. I don't know why we don't, but yeah, we don't. So yeah, but आज I wanted to upload this video because something happened and like I've been seeing that a lot on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Twitter about this guy called Shubham Mishra and his rant on this female comic, which he had a different point of view, and she made a certain joke about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, let me make it very clear. She did not make fun of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. She made fun of the statue which is gonna be built, and she did not make fun of the statue. She made fun about how people, deviate from the fact and go on to build their own dream castle of what's gonna happen which is not at all related to the fact. So she went on to make fun of those people who have no idea what's gonna happen or how the statue is gonna build, go on to give absurd ideas of what that statue will hold or what that statue will do. So she made fun of those people. She did not make fun of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, so who is this guy Shubham Mishra? If you don't know him, he's a YouTuber, and he went on to sit in his car and hold a phone in his hand and went on to abuse, I mean really abuse, this female comic in the most insensitive manner which is there. Okay, in the beginning of the video, Shubham Mishra says, मैं लड़कियों की रिस्पेक्ट करता हूं, and that line, after that, the way he talked about that female comic, the way he talked about her mother, showed that he contradicted his own fucking line which he said just few seconds ago, that I respect women a lot. And the way he talked about a woman showed that he had zero respect for any women out there. Okay, now let's come to the other point why we need to talk about this. Okay, we as a society take great pleasures when Nirbhaya got justice. We were happy, we celebrated it, we were out saying that our country is moving into the right directions. This should happen to the rape victims. Whenever we hear a news about a 2-year-old, a 5-year-old, or even any girl being raped, we go on to the rapist should be killed, they should be shot dead. All that is fine, all that outrage I understand, but what about those people who threaten them? You should go and look at the comment section of Shubham Mishra's video in which he threatened to rape this female comic. You should go and read the comments. People are applauding him. It's not the law which needs to be changed, it's the mentality which needs to be changed, and that comes from your own house. You have to teach your son or your daughter or anyone around you to respect other individual. You might have a difference in opinion, that's fair enough. If you have a difference in opinion, you go talk to that person. You comment on her video that whatever you are saying is wrong. If she doesn't listen to you, there's a constitution, there's a law. File a case against her. If she is found guilty, she'll be punished. You cannot sit in a car and start abusing. This is becoming a new normal. And then we talk about safety of our women. This shows the double standards of our society. The people who commented and who threatened this female comic, and leave female comic, any other person, like, this is the first thing we do. We have a difference of opinion with someone, we don't agree with them. The first thing, male or a female, what we do is we go on to abuse their mothers, we go on to abuse their sisters, we go on to threat them that we'll rape you, we'll kill you. Is this the kind of society we want to live in? And then we talk about strict laws. Laws are there in place to take care of the crimes which are committed. Let's make a society which don't even commit the crime. I know that's not possible, but let's try. Let's teach ourselves and people who are around us, our kids, our brothers, our friends, that when you talk about someone like this is not cool. Shubham Mishra got booked. He was taken into police custody. And now this female comic, okay, I read this somewhere, that this female comic did not file a case against Shubham Mishra. She did not file a case against Shubham Mishra. He was booked by Vadodara police itself and was taken into custody. So the rape threats and the death threats increased after Shubham Mishra was arrested. This is very wrong. This is wrong, man. This is wrong on all the levels. And this is not how we want our society to operate. And there was this other comic I was reading, Rohan Joshi. He had to go off Twitter and Instagram because his number and his address got leaked somehow, and he started receiving death threats and rape threats for about his mother, about his sister. What is this? You don't agree with someone, you don't threaten them. You tell them you don't agree with them, call them for a debate, or even if they are not listening, file a case against them if you don't like it. If they are saying something, if it hurts your sentiment, you can any day go and file a case against them. What is this behavior of going and threatening their mother, their family members, threatening them? What is this behavior, guys? Sometimes I feel like, India is a country of 1.3 billion people. Not everyone will be happy about what you say, what you don't. That doesn't mean that you go out and you threaten them. You don't like it, you move on. You don't watch the video. You block that person out of your life. Have some sensibility, guys. That's all I want to say. And let's hope that this video reaches to some people who agree with my viewpoint. If you don't, comment or tell me where I went wrong. I would appreciate that. It's not like everyone who will watch this video will like my viewpoint. I completely understand that, and I'm completely fine with it. But let's be let's be civilized. We live in a civilized society, and let's behave like one. That's all I want to say. Thank you so much.